This weekend, if you don't feel like to cook, I'm cooking fried chicken and sliced fish for your dinner with vegetable on the side. I'm giving you free with a small contribution. I'm going in the kitchen now. You feel lazy and don't want to cook? Thyme and garlic, chop up in a pot. Vinegar, wash off the foul. Pepper, jerk season and all-purpose season right in the pot. You just bust a one egg, put in it, then you mix it up. Then now, you get some flour, throw in it, little more season, and you just mix it up properly. Yes, I'll in a pot with a little piece of country pepper. Chicken in pot, 2 sour sap dance and a turn, voila, chicken ready to come out. We'll be cutting up my sliced fish now. Yes, the good old sliced fish. Thyme and garlic, all-purpose and jerk season. Mix it up properly. Make sure it mix properly. You put in some flour, mix it out properly, and you can put more flour too, and mix it out. Mix it out properly with some more seasoning on it, and then you mix it again. Then now, me go fry fish now. All you have to do is call me, and I will cook the food for you free for the weekend. If you don't want to cook and you give a small contribution, call me, look at the magic. Look at the magic. Washing my little rice now. If you put it in the pot, that my rice and peas can ready. Voila! Rice and peas ready. Now this is for my sauce. I have scallion, I have garlic, I have thyme, I have tomato, and I have pepper inside there. And that is for my sauce. I'm gonna blend it now. I am gonna make sure it blend out properly. Me say the secret ingredients in the sauce. Me coconut powder, me garlic, me pepper, me thyme, me ketchup, me tell you say, and me jerk season and me all-purpose season. Put it pan a low heat and make it cook, and me tell you say, the color I go change and it tastes mellow and jello. Don't forget your pimento seed. Remember, put it pan a low heat. Yes! And see there, I saw me steer. When the food done, I saw me steer. All you have to do is call me and come pick it up. Yes, and leave a small contribution and you get container everything. You don't like to cook weekend? Call me and we will cook. A freebie I do it for with a small contribution. Call me. No. This is what you get free when you call.